Good morning, student. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn some new things. We are going to use beam element in place of link element, and that too different beam element with different section ID. And we are going to use different section in a similar model. We are going to learn how to apply attributes attributes to this beam element, and we are going to use plot control. We are going to display size and shape of the model. Like in the previous video tutorial, we have used line diagram. So we will use a simple exercise to learn all these things. Now complicated exercise we have covered in previous tutorial, but in this tutorial we are going to use simple exercise. That is because we have to learn about new things. So we are having a bar element. This bar has two rectangular cross section. One is 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter and another is 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter cross sectional area. The length of these elements will be 50 centimeter and 25 centimeter. The load will be applied. End of the 50 centimeter section we will apply 1 E7. This means 10 raised to power 7 Newton, and at the end of the bar we will apply 2 E7 Newton. Young's modulus for both the section will be same. We have to find deflection of end. So going to start it. Preference structural OK. Element type add beam. We can use 3D finite strain, but we will use 2 node 188 element. OK. Close. Real constant. This element doesn't have real constant, but let us try it. If we will press add, then ANSYS will tell us that beam 188 element does not require real constant. In the previous article, here we have included area, but we are going to make sketch for that area, so we don't require real constant. Material property, material model, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. Young's modulus is 1.5 E7. 1.5 E7. Poisson ratio we will take 0. OK. Just to keep problem simple. Done. Now we are going to define section. In the section we will go into beam tab. Common section for beam tab. Here they are listed. We are going to use rectangular cross section. Height and breadth is to be given. Height is 2, breadth is 2, and height is also 2. NB and NH are the division breadth wise and height wise of the section. We don't need to give it here. Preview. So this is our section. All the thing like area, moment of inertia along YY axis, moment of inertia YY plane, moment of inertia along YZ plane, moment of inertia along perpendicular IZZ. All the things are calculated by ANSYS and given by it. So we have applied first element. Its section ID is 1. OK. Now we will apply. Now we will define another element, that is section ID 2. Again rectangular section. Cross section for this is 5 by 5. This dimension is 5 and this dimension is also 5. OK. So we have inputted two type of area, 5 by 5 and 2 by 2. OK. Now we will do modeling for it. Create. We will create directly nodes in active coordinate system, and the values are 50 centimeter and 75 centimeter length. 50 plus 25 is 75. So let us input node 1 0 0 0. We can input 0 or leave it blank. It will always take 0 value. First node is 0 0 0 0. Second node is 50 in x direction 0 0 0. Third node is, here it is being displayed. Third node is 75. That is 25 more than previous one. Okay, so we have got three element here. Three nodes here. 1 2 3. Okay. Now we will create element for these nodes. But this is to remember that we will have to apply first attribute for it. Modeling, create nodes. We have created nodes. Now we will apply. Now we will create elements. Now first we have to define element attribute for the element that we are going to create. Element attribute, material number 1, section number, that is our area which we have decided 1. This means 2 by 2 element. Okay. The first element, it has taken default values. It has taken default as first section number. Okay. So element auto numbered through node, this and this. Okay. We have created first element with cross section area of 2 by 2. Again we will change the element attribute. Material number, material we are taking is it same for both the sections. Now here we will input section number 2, that is 5 by 5 element. Okay. And create the element through node 2 and 3. Okay. So we have created all the element. Now if you want to see the 3D view, plot control, style, size and shape, we will just switch off display of element. We will just switch on the display of element tab. Okay. Apply. Now this line will not be here. Apply. So how can we see the volume that we have created? We will go in plot and we will switch on the elements display. So we have created our problem here. So we have modeled our problem. Now we will apply load to it. Now for the load we need just nodes. So I will switch on node display. I can also display node numbers, plot control, numbering, node number, also attribute number. Okay. Plot elements. Here attribute number will be displayed as we have just shown node. So though no attribute number will be displayed. Meshing is not required as we have directly created elements and we have applied section to it directly. Now to apply load, define load, apply structural displacement on node, on first node. Okay. Restrain all degree of freedom. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to apply force. Force value is 1e7 and 2e7 Newton. So force on node, this. Okay. In positive x direction 1e7. Okay. This is our force on node, this. Okay. positive x direction, 2e7. Okay. So this is our model. We can show elements. This is our model. Now our problem is completely defined and we are going to solve it. Solve current linear system. Okay. Solution is done, no problem here. Close. Now we will see the results. General post processor, list results, nodal solution. We have to find displacement of second node as well as third node, degree of freedom solution. The problem is of two-dimensional problem and we have to find displacement in x direction only. Okay. So the displacement is listed here. Second node is displaced 25 units and third node is displaced 26.333 units. Apart from this, just let me draw line diagram. Apart from this, okay, let us see notes only. Apart from this, what we can find? Reaction solution, structural force Fx. Okay. So net forces we know that 1 plus 2, 3 unit. 3 into 10 to the power 7 or 3 into 10 to, 0.3 into 10 to the power 8. Minus sign is due to reaction at first node. Reaction is in opposite direction. Okay. So this is end of our tutorial. Thank you.